In the quaint village of Eldoria, nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, there lived a young girl named Lyra. From the moment she was born, whispers of her being a gift of the gods spread through the village like a gentle breeze. Lyra possessed a rare and enchanting aura that seemed to radiate kindness and warmth. As Lyra grew, so did her connection with nature. She had an uncanny ability to communicate with animals, and flowers bloomed in her presence. Villagers sought her guidance in times of trouble, for it was believed that Lyra held a divine connection to the spirits of the land. One day, a mysterious traveler arrived in Eldoria, bringing news of an impending darkness that threatened to engulf the village. The villagers, filled with fear, turned to Lyra for help. With a serene smile, she accepted the responsibility bestowed upon her. Guided by an inner wisdom, Lyra embarked on a journey into the heart of the enchanted forest. The trees whispered secrets, and the animals joined her on this sacred quest. Along the way, she encountered trials that tested her courage and resolve. Yet, with unwavering determination, Lyra pressed on, guided by an unseen force. In the heart of the forest, Lyra discovered a hidden grove bathed in ethereal light. It was there that she encountered the ancient tree of tranquility. Its branches reached towards the sky, adorned with shimmering leaves that danced like golden flames. As Lyra approached, the tree spoke to her in a voice that resonated with the echoes of centuries. Lyra, child of the earth, you carry the essence of divine grace within you. To protect your village, you must awaken the dormant magic within this sacred grove, the tree of tranquility whispered. With a gentle touch, Lyra placed her hands upon the tree, closing her eyes to channel the energy that flowed through her. The grove trembled as nature's magic awakened, responding to Lyra's connection with the divine. Roots glowed with an otherworldly light, and the air shimmered with newfound power. As Lyra returned to Eldoria, the once ominous darkness that loomed over the village began to recede. Flowers bloomed in abundance, and a sense of tranquility enveloped the land. The villagers, witnessing this miraculous transformation, marveled at the gift of the gods that Lyra embodied. Word of Lyra's journey spread far and wide, reaching distant realms. Travelers sought her guidance, and rulers sought her alliance. Yet, Lyra remained humble, continuing to use her gift to bring harmony to the world around her. In time, Eldoria prospered under Lyra's gentle guidance. The village became a haven of peace and unity, and its people flourished. Lyra, though revered, never let the adoration change her. She continued to tend to the needs of the land, reminding all that the true gift of the gods lay not in extraordinary abilities but in the capacity for compassion and understanding. And so, the tale of Lyra, the girl blessed by the gods, became a timeless legend, a reminder that the most extraordinary gifts are often found in the simplicity of a kind heart and the willingness to embrace the magic within. As seasons passed in Eldoria, Lyra's presence continued to be a source of inspiration. The village thrived not only due to the magic she possessed but also because of the wisdom she shared. Lyra became a teacher, passing on her knowledge of harmony with nature and the interconnectedness of all living things. The villagers celebrated each solstice with grand festivals, honoring Lyra as a symbol of unity between the mundane and the magical. Eldoria's fields yielded bountiful harvests, and its people lived in harmony with the surrounding wildlife. Lyra's compassion knew no bounds, and she often ventured beyond the village to aid neighboring communities in times of need. One day, a group of nomads visited Eldoria, seeking refuge from a harsh storm that threatened to engulf their homes. Lyra, with her ever-open heart, welcomed them with open arms. She shared the secrets of the enchanted forest, teaching the nomads to harness the magic of the land. In return, they shared their tales of distant lands and diverse cultures, enriching Eldoria with newfound knowledge. As the years passed, Eldoria's fame reached the ears of a distant king who ruled over a vast and troubled kingdom. Desperate for a solution to his people's suffering, he sent emissaries to invite Lyra to his court. The emissaries arrived in Eldoria with promises of wealth and power, hoping to convince Lyra to bring her magic to the ailing kingdom. Lyra, ever humble and guided by a sense of duty, agreed to visit the king's realm. The journey was arduous, taking her across deserts and mountains, through bustling cities and forgotten villages. Along the way, Lyra encountered people of various walks of life, each facing their own challenges. She offered solace, healing, and guidance, leaving behind a trail of transformed lives. Upon reaching the king's court, Lyra found a realm shrouded in darkness. The people were burdened by strife and discord, and the land itself seemed to wither under the weight of sorrow. Lyra's heart ached at the sight, and she knew that her true mission extended beyond merely showcasing her magical abilities. With gentle words and a touch filled with compassion, Lyra began to mend the fractures in the kingdom. She worked tirelessly to instill a sense of unity and understanding among the people. Through her teachings, the once divided kingdom began to heal, and a newfound sense of hope blossomed. The king, witnessing the transformative power of Lyra's influence, recognized that the true gift she brought was not just magical, but spiritual. He humbly acknowledged that the well-being of his people depended not solely on external forces but on the internal harmony that Lyra had inspired. Grateful for the change that Lyra had wrought, the king offered her a choice: to stay and rule by his side, or to return to Eldoria. Lyra, true to her roots, chose to return home. The journey back was filled with reflection, and she carried with her the knowledge that the greatest gift of the gods was the ability to sow seeds of compassion and understanding. Upon her return to Eldoria, Lyra found the village flourishing. The enchanted forest, now awakened to its full potential, radiated a vibrant energy that extended beyond its borders. The world, touched by the magic of Lyra's kindness, was transformed into a tapestry of interconnected lives, each thread woven with the gifts of compassion and unity. And so, Lyra's legacy lived on, not just as a girl blessed by the gods, but as a beacon of light illuminating the path towards a harmonious existence for all beings, a living testament to the profound impact that a single soul guided by love and wisdom could have on the world. In the years that followed, Eldoria became a haven for seekers of wisdom and harmony. Scholars and spiritual leaders from distant lands made pilgrimages to the village, drawn by the tales of Lyra's transformative journey and the flourishing magic of the enchanted forest. Eldoria became a place of learning, where the exchange of ideas and cultures flourished under the protective branches of the Tree of Tranquility. Lyra, now revered as an elder of unparalleled wisdom, continued to guide the villagers and visitors alike. Her teachings transcended the boundaries of magic, reaching into the realms of philosophy, ethics, and the delicate balance between humanity and nature. Eldoria evolved into a center of enlightenment, where people learned not only to coexist with the land but to thrive in symbiosis with its wonders. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting hues of gold and crimson across the sky, a weary traveler arrived in Eldoria. This traveler, unlike the others, carried a heavy heart burdened by the weight of past mistakes. Lyra sensed the turmoil within and offered a kind embrace, inviting the traveler to share their story. The traveler revealed a tale of regret and remorse, of decisions that had led to suffering and pain. Lyra, with a gentle smile, spoke of the universal truth that forgiveness, both of others and oneself, was the key to healing. Together, they embarked on a journey of introspection, traversing the mystical landscapes of the enchanted forest, where the trees whispered tales of redemption and renewal. As the seasons cycled through their eternal dance, Eldoria became not just a destination but a pilgrimage site for those seeking redemption and renewal. The village's very aura seemed to carry a healing energy, and tales of transformative journeys spread far and wide. Eldoria became a beacon of hope, attracting those who sought solace and a chance for a fresh start. Lyra's influence extended beyond the mortal realm. The spirits of the enchanted forest, once dormant, became active guardians of Eldoria, fostering an atmosphere of serenity and protection. Rumors spoke of ethereal beings appearing at the edge of the village, guiding lost souls towards the embrace of the Tree of Tranquility. As the years turned into decades, Eldoria remained a bastion of peace in a world often tumultuous and uncertain. Lyra, now graced with the passage of time, became a living legend, an embodiment of the enduring power of love, compassion, and the interconnectedness of all life. On the day Lyra's mortal journey drew to a close, the village gathered beneath the branches of the Tree of Tranquility. The air was filled with a bittersweet tranquility as Lyra, surrounded by those whose lives she had touched, closed her eyes and returned to the earth from which she had come. Yet, as the village mourned, a gentle wind swept through Eldoria, carrying with it the whispers of the enchanted forest. The leaves rustled in a soothing melody, and the villagers felt a profound sense of gratitude for having shared their lives with a soul so divine. In the heart of Eldoria, a sapling emerged from the sacred ground, a symbol of continuity and rebirth. The villagers, inspired by the legacy of Lyra, embraced the sapling with a collective promise, to nurture the magic within, to cherish the lessons learned, and to pass on the gift of love and unity to generations yet to come. And so, the story of Eldoria continued, an ever-unfolding tale of magic, wisdom, and the enduring power of a simple girl named Lyra, whose life had been a testament to the boundless possibilities that lie within the embrace of the divine.